Welcome to the Plant Farm It YouTube channel. Mint is a rapid growing perennial herb with many varieties that grow up to 3 feet tall and are quite invasive. Mint grow best in full sun to partial shade, should be planted early in the growing season, and is generally resilient to -20°F. Mint prefers moist soil conditions, but excess water will promote root and leaf diseases. Harvest leaves and stems throughout the season, or cut back within an inch of the ground about 3 times a season, just before the plant blooms. Mint is high in fiber, iron, vitamins A and B6, folate, calcium, magnesium, and manganese. A serving of dry mint will be significantly higher in nutritional values than fresh mint. 1 or 2 plants will supply sufficient fresh cuttings for daily use. Several additional plants will provide for drying and storing. Each plant can be harvested 2 to 3 times per season. Carefully select mint varieties. The taste and smell differ greatly between varieties. For cold areas, peppermint, spearmint, and woolly mints are very resilient. All varieties are well suited to areas with more mild winters. Culinary varieties include mint-like flavors such as red Rarapula mint, ginger mint or red mint, horse mint, and pineapple mint. Mints widely used in teas and medicinal preparations include water mint, corn or field mint, and pennyroyal. Mint prefers rich, moist, and slightly acidic soils, and grows best in full sun or partial shade. Most soils are suited to the mint provided they are amended with compost. If growing a variegated variety or pineapple mint, full sun might burn the leaves. Before planting, determine fertilizer's needs with a soil test and then follow the fertilization recommendations given. If fertilizer is needed, work the fertilizer into the top 6 inches of the soil. If you fertilize with compost, apply no more than 1 inch of well-composed organic matter per 100 square feet of garden area. One early spring application of a slow-release complete fertilizer incorporated into the soil will supply adequate nutrients for mint. Use 1 teaspoon of a 16 fertilizer per plant as ground resumes in the spring. Overwatering and fertilizing promotes rust and diminishes mint oil production. Mint can be grown from seed or transplants. Since mints readily hybridize between different types, plants grown from seed often fail to be true to type. For specific cultivators or varieties, buy established plants from reputable sources. Take cuttings from known plants or divide an established plant. Divide and replant established plants in the spring, before growth starts, or early in the fall. Sow seeds 1/4 inch deep, and then thin seedlings once they emerge. Transplants should be planted with roots just beneath the soil surface. Row spacing should be at least 2 feet apart to allow for growth. Water regularly during the growing season, supplying up to 1 to 2 inches per week, depending on temperatures, exposure, and soil conditions. Avoid overwatering as it leads to disease. Mint is best planted in containers or where roots are confined. Mint spreads quickly in open garden areas and will outcompete most garden plants. Once established, it is very hard to eradicate. Most diseases can be minimalized or eliminated by appropriate watering and ensuring proper sunlight to plants. Consider drip irrigation as an excellent method to provide regular water and keep foliage dry. As the mint grows and multiplies, thinning or dividing might be essential to maintain healthy plants. Fresh leaves might be harvested throughout the growing season. Once plants are 3 to 4 inches tall, use a sharp knife or scissors to remove leaves and stems. The youngest leaves and stems are the most flavorful. Cut the stems to within 1 inch of the soil, picking late in the morning on dry and sunny days. Fresh mint might be stored for a week in water in the refrigerator. Harvest fully grown stems and leaves and hang the cuttings upside down in a hot, shady location until brittle, or spread on a screen in the shade to dry. Store dried mint in an airtight container for up to 1 year. Individual leaves do not freeze well. To maintain taste, when thawed, freeze chopped mint leaves with water in an ice cube tray. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on the similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm Eat. It's a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.